Meanwhile, aiming to increase the quality of medical services, the Department of Health, in collaboration with other government agencies, have accomplished today the Philippine Multi-Sectoral Nutrition Project National Mayors Forum. As Arbian Manalo reports.
With the aim to combat malnutrition and give every Filipino mother and child a fair opportunity to have a healthy future, the Philippine Multi-Sectoral Nutrition Project National Mayors Forum, led by the Department of Health in collaboration with other government agencies, wrap up its activities today. More than 300 mayors from different parts of the country attended the forum. In his speech, Health Secretary Ted Herbosa pointed out that the fight against malnutrition is not only the responsibility of the national government, but also of the LGUs.
As your Secretary of Health, I have witnessed mayors who turn broken systems into working solutions, who refuse to let poverty dictate destiny. Mga mahal kong punong bayan, kayo ang tagapagligtas ng ating kinabukasan. Our goal is to halve by 50% the 27% rate of stunting to 13.5%.
Part of the program also includes the launching of the Nutrition Leadership and Governance Program that strengthens the capacity of local governments in delivering quality medical services to achieve a healthy community. This is in line with the 8-point agenda of the Health Department to reduce the number of stunted children in the country and ensure every Filipino child is healthy.
Expansion of TMNP will put right front and center community-driven development as a platform to end malnutrition and to end stunting.
Among the main programs promoted by the department that local governments should focus on are disaster preparedness and immediate response to emergencies, banning cigarettes and vapes in public areas, and implementing programs to prevent stunting and malnutrition. BN Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.